Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jacket Barbecue. Today we're doing chicken breast sous vide. So I've only done chicken breast once before sous vide, and I've read some things online about what temperature to do it at, and I cooked them at, I think at like 135 or 140 they were recommending to do it at. And as long as it's in the sous vide bath long enough, it actually pasteurizes. You don't have to worry about bacteria over a certain length of time. When I actually grilled those, I only grilled them for a little bit because they said they're done. I didn't care for them. I thought they almost tasted, not say raw, but not chicken I'm used to. So today, I read something about 149 is a good temperature. I'm doing these at 154. That way when I put them on the grill, they're only going to be on for a minute to 2 minutes aside. It'll get it up to about 160 at that point, and it's going to seem like normal chicken to me. I'm going to do 1 or 2 breasts with Rooster Booster, just to try a new rub out. The other ones I'm going to probably do plain. We're actually making a delivery tonight to, my wife is making candy, so we're making a delivery of some food for him tonight. So these will be in the bath for a little while. When we take them out, we'll show you what we do with them, and then it'll be on the grill. So we'll see you when we unwrap them next time. All right, so here we are with the sous vide chicken. We had it sitting for about an hour and a half, a little over an hour and a half, a little bit longer than I wanted to, but we had a beverage or two, so that's part of the reason. I'm going to pull them out, blot them dry. I'm actually just going to do one of them with the seasoning. I'm going to do one on the grill with a little bit of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to do 2 plain out there because I have 4 chicken breasts here. So I'll just show you part of this, but looks good. Like I said, I cooked them to 154 degrees. Just because of my previous experience at being in a lesser amount, it seemed like they needed a little bit more. Actually, I'll move this out of the way real quick. That way when I go to the garbage, I don't contaminate anything. They look good. Grab a little paper towels. I don't know how you can see that one, but like I said, we're going to blot everything dry before we take it out on the grill, get the moisture off of these. I will take this one and just kind of start to season it. Like I said, we'll try it with this seasoning on it. Seasoning smells good. We'll see how it works out on the grill. All right, so I'll finish drying these off, and we'll see you out on the grill. All right, so here we are on the grill to put the chicken breasts on. Got the grill running right around 350. I just had it open to clean the grates, so if you saw the temperature there was a little bit lower. Getting the one that had the seasoning on it, and getting the ones that are going to be plain. Like I said, I'm going to put some, well, you can tell here that this one is kind of done. I kind of butchered that one a little bit. That's all right. And we'll keep them just a minute or so aside. I'm going to flip them over, and I'll put some barbecue sauce in the one, and we'll continue on. All right, they've been on just a little over a minute. I'm going to just, I said, flip them over. They should have some nice color now, or getting nice color. We'll see how everything looks. Okay, it's getting there. That's the breast I mangled a little, but we're getting some color on them. Like I said, we're going to keep them going. We're at 154 degrees, so we aren't far from done, but I want to get some color on them and make them look nice, and we'll show you shortly. All right, so here we about 2 minutes on this side now. want to see what it looks like. Because I'm a little higher off the grill, I'm just wondering if that's not giving me the extra color I'm looking for, but like I said, we'll get there. Boy, that one breast just doesn't want to cooperate with me. And that's one with the seasoning on the end. I'm actually going to just baste one now. Like I said, we're only going to do one. We have a little bit of variety of people, so I don't want to do too much to them. We'll let you know inside on the name of the sauce. I apologize, I'm blanking now. I think we did one other shoot and I had it named wrong, so we'll come back here in another minute or two. All right, we're going to do another flip on these, another basting on the barbecue sauce one. Yeah, they're getting a ton of color, but again, I'm kind of experimenting, so I'm okay with that. That one's getting more color with the dry seasoning on it. A little baste. Well, the grill's getting nice and hot. It's up towards 400 degrees now, which I wanted to let it rise a little bit. All right, another minute, and we'll probably be pulling them off. All right, so here we are. We're going to pull them off. I'm going to try to keep things separated as much as I can. Got some nice color on the bottom there. Flip this one over to show you my mangled one, but we got some color on it at least. There's one with the barbecue sauce. And there's with the dry rub. So everything's looking good. We'll cut one apart inside and show you what it looks like. As always, cheers. All right, so here we are with the sous vide chicken. We did a sous vide for a little over an hour and a half at 154 degrees. We did one with Rooster Booster, and we did one with Bali BBQ Sauce. The other two are plain. I actually have the plain one here. We're going to cut into it, see what it looks like. I was getting readings on the grill that I wasn't sure about, but very tender. Oh, it's very nicely cooked. It's definitely done. Kind of like what I see there. I was a little concerned as for the temperatures I was reading on it, so I wanted to make sure everything was done. So this was, I think, a successful cook. The texture of it when I cut through it and the way it felt like regular chicken to me. So I'm happy with that. Like I said, the first time I did it, it was only about 145, 143 degrees, and it felt like it wasn't done right when I did that one. So this one here, like I said, chicken sous vide. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel. You click the little bell, you get an update. Typically we put videos out every 2 weeks, and we'll see you next time.